This is a 4-bedroom penthouse in El Poblado, and the layout is just a bit different than you would expect, but that's okay because I'll show you why as we walk in here into the first full bathroom here. I really love the decorations and I love the overall design and feel of this apartment. As we walk into the main living areas, you have a TV room back there, dining area over here as we pan over, and then shooting up over here is the skylight that brings in a lot of natural light, and it really gives you a good feel of the apartment here. As we look into the kitchen, you have a central island here with a stovetop. You have an oven built in. Tucked behind here is a small laundry area, enough room for a washer dryer stack as they have there. Quick note, when you're ready to buy in Medellin, fill out the form down below in our description and our team will reach out to you as soon as possible. Now back to the first bedroom here. So the first level has 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. You can continue to use this as a guest bedroom or turn it into an office. We're gonna walk into the full bathroom here. This is the second full bathroom, by the way. A lot of space, love the design, love the colors. Again, I love everything about this apartment that we're seeing. We're gonna walk back towards the TV area where you have a window here. You have a bit of a view of the area that you're in. We're in Las Palmas, by the way, and that's the Carulla right across the street from us, which you're gonna see right about now, so you can kind of get an idea of where we are in El Poblado. Now going back over to the second bedroom here on the first level, again, you can use this as a bedroom, keep it as a bedroom, or use it as an office studio, and you have natural light coming in. The current owners, they have this listed on Airbnb. So that's why they have a lot of bedroom. They're using all of the spaces more as bedrooms rather than like office space or anything like that. Now, as we walk up into the second floor here, you can see more natural light coming in. Now, the master bedroom here is probably one of the largest master bedrooms that I've seen here in a while in El Poblado, or even in Medellin. You have enough room there to put another TV setup, which I think is kind of cool there. You have high ceilings. As we walk into the master bathroom here, has its own little walk-in closet, natural light in the bathroom as well, so I think that's really great. And then we're gonna walk back over here to the little hallway to go across to the other bedroom, but here you can actually see a little bit downstairs and more of that natural light, which I think is really cool. And this is where the layout kind of gets interesting. What I mentioned, this is a guest bedroom setup and it has private area to the terrace, right? I think the private terrace is probably the main focal point or the main selling point for a lot of interested buyers. So maybe you can turn that bedroom into a more social area and kind of have flexible access to that private terrace. Overall, let me know down below in the comments what you think of this property, and then we're going to go over to the map section to show you where we are and what's around us. So here's the listing for this penthouse. It is on our website at medellinlivingrealestate.com. On our website, you can browse all of the inventory that we have available for sale, and you can see all of the details for this property, which I'll have listed down below in the description. Again, this penthouse is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 165 square meters in Las Palmas. Now let's go over to Google Maps to show you the location of this property. So we're in Las Palmas. I marked it out here in this yellow area. This is the general area of Las Palmas. It's considered another name on Google Maps like La Asomadera, but everyone knows this area as Las Palmas in reference to where it is to Provenza, which is just about a 15-minute, 20-minute drive to Provenza. I have Provenza marked out here in red. I'll zoom in just a little. So you're not very far away from the action, nightlife, restaurants of Provenza, but you are far enough where you're not going to get all of that noise. Now, where the property is located in Las Palmas is right here marked out in this purple area. In Las Palmas, if you don't know, it's more in the hills. It's not very walkable, but you're gonna get great views all around here if you're looking to buy in this area. And just right across from this property, and specifically, is a shopping mall, and you have Carulla there. You have a few restaurants and a few shops as well. And overall, this area of Las Palmas is residential. You have access to Avenida Las Palmas, so you have direct access to the airport there, or other parts around the city. All right, that's it for this penthouse in El Poblado. When you're ready to buy in Medellin in the next 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above, then our team can help you out the right way. We don't only show you properties in our direct inventory, we scan the entire market based on your criteria and act as your private MLS here. We call that the Medellin Living Search System. We only work one-on-one with buyers who are ready to follow our process and move forward seriously. So once you're ready to start that process, go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will reach out to you as soon as possible, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.